Same chipmunk, different language on the wall. Wi-Fi code on a napkin, hope this call does not fall. Client wants a miracle on a budget made of bones. If they want champagne on pennies, they'll pay through the nose. Stamp my laptop, not my passport, I'm just passing through. Little screen in a loud cafe is my rooftop view. Put in elbow grease till the sun comes up. Watch the tips jar shine. I take on work, take on doubt, but the daylight's mine. Monsoon on the window, coffee shaking in my hand. Last minute change of scope, another urgent demand. Time zones play roulette, spin my calendar thin. If I miss a deadline this week, will I get another win? Stamp my laptop, not my passport, I'm just passing through. Little screen in a crowded place is my mountain's view. Put in elbow grease till my eyes burn out. Still I draw the line, I take on jobs, take on fears, but the choice is mine. In the subject line, red text, cold feet, somewhere between ASAP and what I'll actually meet. We reach an agreement at 2 a.m. Glad we're on the same page. Close the tab, close my eyes, wake up in a different age. Stamp my laptop, not my passport, I'm just passing through. Little screen in a quiet corner is my ocean view. Put in elbow grease, let the hours run till the stars align. I take on life, take on risk, but the time is mine.